You are going to love the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.